Hi my friends, it's been a while and just want to let you know I discovered new fruit. It's cactus and I just want to show you what it is, how to eat it, and I'm here making a fruit salad for my husband. So let's get started. This is a cactus. Cactus are grown on those prickly type of trees, and normally when you're out in the field and you pick it, there's like what we call back home maca, but it's pointy, similar to this, but it's pointier than that. This is what it looks like. It has a lot of fiber in it. It's very rich. And let's start the process. So how you would eat this fruit is you would cut the top. You cut one end off and another end like that. You put a little slit in the top like so. I feel like my knife is dull. And you peel it like a banana. There you go. And that's the fruit. I guess the natives who are used to this fruit, they would eat this. It's very bitter, which is also good for us, but I'm not in that mood. So I'm gonna a sharpened knife to work with here. And very rich, very red color. Has a lot of fruits, seeds inside there, black seed, which is the fiber. I don't know if you can see it. But that's what it looks like. I'm gonna sample it. Since I'm making a food for my husband, there goes the bowl. The next fruit that I'm using, I'm just gonna peer around it like so. And fruits are good for you. Fruits, all fruits are vitamin C. You pop it out like so. Give them like 2 of those. Somebody's calling me, send them to voicemail. Yeah, you just peer it and pull and push. That's the fruit. And here goes another kind. Send them to voicemail. Very similar fruit. This one is juicy. You peel it as well and pop it. Very similar fruit, but it's very good. Give them 2 of those. These are exotic fruits. Now, I'm going to do a mango. Use a smaller knife when peeling. So with the mango, you remove the skin however you feel comfortable removing the skin. I was raised on the island, so this is one of the lessons that I have observed the native using back home. This is the method we used to peel. All right, everybody have different method. It doesn't matter as long as the skin is being removed. All right, there's a big seed on the inside. Can be a little messy if the mango is nice and juicy or nice and ripe. We're in mango season, and when fruits are in season, that's the best time to have them because they're better for you. There's a reason why the universe or God create those fruits at certain time. Okay, and the bigger the fruits, sometimes mean that we need more of it. It's better for you, you know. Well, somebody keep calling me. I guess it's important. So I'm gonna end it right here. But that's it. Ta-ta.